Sham's Makeup Artistry, and if you are new to my channel, my name is Shamala. Today I do have a quick review for you guys. If you do not know already, I did feature this product on my Instagram post a couple of months ago because it has been 3 months since I received this product to test. I did kind of take ample of time to test out this product. Reason being is I do not want to recommend anything that I can't vouch for. So definitely it took me about 3 months to test this product. I'm still using it and it's still an ongoing process. So let me just share with you how the packaging and the product looks like. So this is the teeth whitening container and it's by the brand known as Coco Shine. This brand is actually based in Australia, so they actually sent over this product to me. It's a teeth whitening powder with an activated charcoal. When they first approached me, I was very hesitant. I kind of like made research through. I went to their website, checked through all the ingredients before I said yes to them. One of the reasons I did that is because I've seen a lot of teeth whitening advertisements. I've seen people approaching me, but I kind of felt that it was a gimmicky and it was like more to chemical products on the teeth. And I believe when it comes to teeth, it's not like everyone has like the whitest shining teeth. You do have to like go for whitening process as it goes and keep your hygiene well. Only then you can achieve that sort of like white teeth, if that does make sense. So when you open the container, this is how the lid on the top looks like. It's not the charcoal yet. Hopefully it doesn't get messy. And on the inside, this is the charcoal. So you just have to dip your brush on the inside. Of course, clean your brush before you dip them in and properly seal it back so that water does not get inside. Coming back to this particular teeth whitening, it says that it's a activated charcoal teeth whitening powder, whitens your teeth, removes stubborn stains, strengthens your enamel, draws out toxin and keeps plaque at bay. Our medical grade coconut shell activated charcoal binds toxin, stains and plaque from your teeth and flushes them out straight from your mouth. They've actually mentioned that within 3 use you can see a little difference on your teeth area. For me, I personally felt that it took more time. And then here are the benefits. They have claimed is whitening your teeth and then protects your teeth, detoxifying and shine. And it's also 100% organic, vegan friendly and cruelty free. This teeth whitening product does retail for $39.95, which makes it kind of like $40 or so. I do have a coupon code which I will list it down on the description bar below, so make sure you check them out if you want some discount. So back to the powder itself and how I personally feel about this whitening powder. I do have like a video of myself demonstrating how I use this particular powder, and I personally use it like every night. And again, this is like an ongoing process. I personally started noticing a lot of difference with one of my teeth right here, which is like the only one which had a little bit stain on it. So when I got this powder, I thought, okay, this would be the best one to test with. Of course, I brush my teeth just like usual with this powder. You can actually use a normal brush and you can also use your electric brush. For me, I kind of switch it between both. The electric brush, the difference is the powder gets everywhere and it does get pretty messy, but with a normal brush, it gets less messy. And a little bit goes a long way. Of course, when it comes to charcoal, it's like all black and it looks like it's a little bit scary. So the first thing that I noticed within 2 weeks of using it was on the teeth that I said that I had stain on. It kind of like the stain disappeared fully from the teeth, and that kind of like made me really happy because it looks much more clean and healthy. And after using it like for about 1.5 months, overall I noticed the texture of the teeth has improved. And I have always heard from my mom that during those days my grandfather used to use charcoal to brush his teeth, and that kind of like kept their teeth strong and white. And definitely my grandpa had white teeth and I always admired that. And that is another thing that got me into getting this product. So for me, I personally feel that this teeth whitener worked out for me. I have personally tried toothpaste which claims that they have whitening properties in it. They kind of tingle and I do have like very sensitive teeth, and for me it did not work. For me, it has never worked. So this one is the only one that I have tried, and I personally feel that it's working out for me. Again, I would like to repeat that this is an ongoing process. It's just like having a good skin. When you want something to look good on you, you want to continue the product. So it's kind of similar to this teeth whitening as well, if that does make sense. Again, there were many of you asking to do a review on this Coco Shine teeth whitening powder way before, but I just wanted to make sure that I am comfortable in sharing my thoughts with you guys. So I do hope that you found this quick review being helpful for you guys. If you want to pick up this Coco Shine teeth whitening powder, to my very next one, stay beautiful both inside and out. Give me a thumbs up, share all your love and support, and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.